Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 AI tools that you can use to start a business. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we do business, and these tools can help you stay ahead of the game. Before we start, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos on artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. Number 1. Chatbots. The first AI tool on our list is chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversation with human users. They can be used to automate customer service, sales, and marketing tasks. Chatbots can help you save time and money by handling routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important things. They can also improve customer satisfaction by providing quick and accurate responses to their inquiries. For example, a chatbot can be used by an e-commerce business to handle customer inquiries about product availability, shipping times, and returns. The chatbot can provide quick and accurate responses to these routine questions, freeing up customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. Similarly, a chatbot can be used by a marketing team to automate lead generation and qualification. The chatbot can engage with website visitors, ask qualifying questions, and provide relevant information about the company's products or services. This can help the marketing team identify high-quality leads and focus their efforts on converting them into customers. H&M. H&M's chatbot helps customers find the perfect outfit by asking them questions about their style preferences and suggesting items from the H&M catalog. Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza's chatbot allows customers to order pizza and track their delivery status through Facebook Messenger or the Domino's app. Some examples of AI chatbot tool brands are ManyKit, Tars, Chatfuel, Botsify, and Mobile Monkey. Number 2. Predictive Analytics. The second AI tool on our list is Predictive Analytics. Predictive Analytics is the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. This tool can help you make better business decisions by providing insights into customer behavior, market trends, and other important factors. Predictive analytics can also help you identify potential risks and opportunities, allowing you to take proactive measures to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities and optimize your marketing strategies to increase your return on investment. For example, let's say you run a YouTube channel that focuses on cooking. By using predictive analytics, you can analyze your viewers' behavior and identify which types of recipes are most popular among them. You can then use this information to create more videos that cater to their interests, which can help increase engagement and subscriber count. Additionally, you can use predictive analytics to identify potential risks and opportunities in the fitness industry. For example, if you notice a trend of viewers searching for at-home workout videos, you can create more content that caters to this trend. This can help you stay ahead of the competition and increase your reach. Overall, predictive analytics can be used in a variety of industries to help content creators make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses predictive analytics to forecast demand for their products and optimize their supply chain. This helps reduce waste and increase efficiency. Amazon. Amazon uses predictive analytics to recommend products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. This helps increase customer satisfaction and sales. Netflix. Netflix uses predictive analytics to recommend TV shows and movies to users based on their viewing history. This helps increase user engagement and retention. Some examples of predictive analytics tools are RapidMiner and DataRobot. Number 3. Natural Language Processing. The third AI tool on our list is Natural Language Processing, also known as NLP. Natural language processing is the ability of computers to understand, interpret, and generate human-like responses. This tool can be used to automate tasks such as content creation, translation, and sentiment analysis. Natural language processing can also help you improve customer engagement by providing personalized responses to their inquiries and feedback. As an AI language model, ChatGPT falls under the category of natural language processing tools. For example, NLP can be used to automatically generate video titles, descriptions, and tags based on the content of the video. This can save creators a lot of time and effort, especially if they have a large number of videos to optimize. NLP can also be used for translation, allowing creators to reach a wider audience by translating their content into different languages. This can be particularly useful for creators who have a global audience or who want to expand their reach into new markets. Finally, NLP can be used for sentiment analysis, which involves analyzing the tone and emotion of written or spoken language. This can be useful for creators who want to understand how their audience is responding to their content. For example, if a creator notices that their audience is responding negatively to a particular video, they can use sentiment analysis to identify the specific issues and make changes to improve their content. Examples of real-life use of natural language processing could be found in Amazon. Amazon uses NLP to improve its search engine and product recommendations. By analyzing customer reviews and feedback, Amazon's NLP algorithms can identify patterns and trends in customer behavior, which helps the company to better understand its customers and provide more personalized recommendations. Additionally, Google uses NLP to improve its search engine and voice recognition technology. By analyzing the language used in search queries and voice commands, Google's NLP algorithms can better understand the intent behind the user's words and provide more accurate results. Some examples of natural language processing tools are Google Cloud Natural Language API, Amazon Comprehend, Microsoft Azure Text Analytics, and Hugging Face. Those are the top 3 AI tools that you can use to start a business. Chatbots, predictive analytics, and natural language processing can help you save time, make better decisions, and improve customer engagement. If you're interested in learning more about these tools, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.